Hey boys and girls, it's Miss Couch again. Today is Thursday, so I'm going to give you the directions of how to get through your lessons today. So remember, you are now in the folder that says Thursday, 4/2/20. Go ahead and open that up. Going through similar to the rest of the week so far, we have our discussion time. So your discussion says, Peter went to the grocery store at 2:15 p.m. He finished grocery shopping at 3:20 p.m. How long was Peter at the grocery store? So here you will type in your answers and go ahead and post. When you're finished with your discussion, go back to your Thursday. You have your video to watch of me teaching you the lesson. And then, of course, your step 3, or watch it another way. That, again, is your video from our math book showing you another way of watching it. Remember, if you can't log in to it, go ahead and make sure that you are going down to that very bottom button. You're not typing in your username or password, but putting and finding Manatee County so that you can open that up. And then going down and push replay. When you are finished with that, make sure you're going back to the Thursday folder, not back here. Go back to the Thursday folder, click that. And then we have your anchor chart available. This is the same as yesterday, as we are doing reteaching. And then going into your problems on a separate piece of paper. So here's your reteaching of 14.2. So this would be like your homework pages, and I go over this with you together in my video, and then you are going to go ahead and solve these problems 1 through 12. And then remember, when you're taking that test, you're going back and looking at what number it's saying next to it so that you can just fill in those answers. You have already done the work for it. So then last but not least, you have step 6, which is input your answers. So here you go. You have, this is question number 1. Go ahead and fill in your blank. This is question number 6 from your independent work. Filling in that blank of elapsed time. Question number 8. Question number 10. And then question number 12, which is your multiple choice. Remember not to forget to submit your answers here, and then you are finished with your Thursday work.